So you have your dishes set up, and your recipes are looking great. Now comes the really satisfying part, filling in your calendar with meals for the whole week. Let me show you how it works. The calendar is the first thing you see when you open SeraSupper. At the top, you have got a week strip showing each day. The current day is highlighted, and little dots under each day tell you if meals are already planned. You can swipe left and right to move between weeks, or tap the Today button up in the corner to jump right back to today. Each day shows your meals organized by type: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you have snacks set up, those show up too. At the top, you'll also see a day/week toggle. Day view, the default, shows the week strip and one day's meals at a time. Switch to week view to see your whole week at a glance. In week view, the days sit side by side, about 2.5 at a time, and you just swipe across to see the rest. Tap any card to open its recipe, or press and hold for the same quick actions. Now, most of the power on this screen lives behind the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap it and you will find everything from planning a week to building your shopping list. Let's walk through it. First up, Plan My Week. This drafts a whole week of meals for you to review before anything is saved. It walks you through 6 short sections. You tell it when, which meals to include, optionally a theme for each day, like a cuisine or a quick and easy night, any rules to follow, and anything else it should know. There is also a Leftover Nights section. Tap any day you want to keep for leftovers, and SeraSupper drops a leftovers meal on that day instead of picking a brand new dish. Perfect for using up what is already in the fridge. Then tap the Draft button at the bottom. It tells you exactly how much it is about to plan. Draft 21 meals, and then SeraSupper builds it. It works from your own recipes first. On any day where you set a theme, it can also pull from its built-in catalog and fall back to AI if neither turns up a match. Days with no theme stay with your own library. Review it as a list or a week grid. For any meal, you can swap the dish, edit the sides, or skip it. If the whole thing is off, Redraft starts over. When it looks right, tap Approve and Save, and the meals land on your calendar. Right below Plan My Week, you will see Dinner Dash. That is the 60-second version. Same engine, far fewer questions, and it ends with a shopping list in your hand. It has its own video, so I will leave it there. Next up is Generate Meal Plan. This is the original planner, and it is still the fastest way to fill a long stretch of calendar. You pick your start date, how many weeks to plan, and which meals to include. Most people start with 2 weeks of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Down below, there is a toggle called AI Side Dish Pairing. When this is on, SeraSupper matches your side dishes to complement each main. It draws from more than 700 curated pairings across 15 cuisines. So if you are having chicken tikka masala, it knows to pair it with naan and rice instead of, say, coleslaw. It also avoids starch doubling, no pasta paired with rice. You can also tap Check Schedule Coverage to make sure you have enough dishes in your library before you generate. When you are ready, tap Generate and watch it go. Just like that, your whole week is planned out. Back on the calendar, every meal shows up as a colorful card. The little tinted tile tells you the course at a glance. Green for mains, blue for sides, gold for treats, and the cook time chip shows a green quick badge for fast meals or the time for longer ones. Tap any card to see the recipe details, or press and hold for some handy shortcuts. From the context menu, you can replace the dish, skip a meal, reschedule it to a different date, move it to a different meal slot, or delete it. So if Tuesday's dinner does not sound good, just tap Replace and pick a different dish from your library. Only that one meal changes, the rest of your week stays put. And if you want to start a day over, there is a Clear Day button that removes all meals for that date. Now, 2 more items in that 3-dot menu are worth knowing about because they save a lot of tapping. Copy and Paste Days does exactly what it sounds like. Select the days you want to copy, tap Next, then choose where to paste them. Before it commits, it shows you exactly what will be overwritten. So if you had a week that worked really well, you can run it again next month in about 10 seconds. And Clear Multiple Days is the bulk version of Clear Day. Select Arrange, tap Review, and it tells you exactly how many dishes across how many days will be deleted before you confirm. Once your calendar is looking good, you can turn it right into a grocery list. Open that three-dot menu again and choose Generate Shopping List. SeraSupper looks at every meal on your calendar, gathers all the ingredients, and builds a shopping list for you. It skips the things you already have in your pantry. We will cover that more in the grocery list video. One more thing. If you want your meals to show up in your Apple Calendar alongside your other events, you can turn that on in Settings. Once it is enabled, your meals automatically sync every time you generate a plan. Pretty handy when you are at the store wondering what is for dinner tonight. The calendar is your home base in SeraSupper. Generate a plan, tweak it however you like, and turn it into a grocery list when you're ready. Check the user manual for more details on every option. Happy planning!